Okay, class. Okay, so now, okay, we go to the transmission parameter, okay, of the two-port networks. Okay, so for the transmission parameters, okay, so we have, okay, two-port networks, the input and the output networks. Okay, so from here, okay, the general equation for the transmission parameter is given by V1 is equal to AV2 minus BI2. Okay, I1 is equivalent to CV2 minus DI2. Okay, we can put also in matrix form is V1 and I1 is equivalent to the matrix of A, B, C, D times with your, okay, matrix of V2 and minus I2, or also, okay, is represented, okay, by the T matrix or the ABCD matrix, okay, times with your V2 and minus I2 matrix. Okay, so the T terms are also called the transmission parameter, or sometimes simply as ABCD parameters. So each parameter has different units. Okay, so the useful of analyzing transmission line, cable, fiber, because they are expressing sending ending variables V1 and I2, and in terms of the receiving ending variables V2 and minus I2. Okay, so the set of parameters relate to the input output, okay, is given as V1 is equivalent to A V2 minus BI2, and I1 is equivalent to CV2 minus DI2, and this is in matrix forms. Okay, so the A, B, C, and D parameter can also be determined, okay, by, okay, A is equal to, okay, V1 divided by V2, okay, by assume your I2 is equal to 0, and also you can get your C, okay, when your I2 is equal to 0, okay, is equivalent to I1 divided by V2, and when your V2 is equal to 0, so you can get your B is equal to minus V1 divided by I2, and your D terms, okay, is equivalent to minus I1 divided by I2. Okay, so this is, okay, the definition, okay, of the A, B, C, and D. Okay, so for the transmission parameters in terms of Z parameters, okay, so the unit of the T parameters you can get, okay, the parameters, right, when you are while you obtain the Z or your Y parameters. Okay, so in first, okay, we look when the transmission parameters in terms of your Z parameters. Okay, so from your Z parameters, okay, equation, general equation, okay, is given as V1 Z11 I1 and Z12 I2. Okay, and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 and Z22 I2. Okay, so this is the previous, okay, the Z parameters equation that we already discussed, okay, earlier. So from the second equation, okay, thus, okay, you rearrange your I1, okay, as your main constant here. Okay, so you can get, okay, from the second equation, your I1 is equal to 1 over Z1 V2 minus Z22 divided by Z1 I2. Okay, so if you compare, okay, with your A, B, C, D or your T parameters, so this is your C. Okay, and this term is your D. Okay, all right, for the, and then once you get, okay, this third equation, and you put this third equation into your first equation. Okay, so into your first equation, you substitute your I1. Okay, so your V1 is equal to, thus you get your V1 is equal to Z11. Okay, so this is your I1. Okay, you substitute your I1 here. Okay, V2 divided by Z21 minus Z22 divided by Z21 I2 plus with your Z12 I2. Okay, so from, okay, the elaboration, okay, so finally you get, okay, your V1 is Z11 divided by Z12 V2, and your I2, okay, your Z1 minus Z11 Z22 plus Z21 Z12 divided by Z21 I2. So if you compare with your ABCD parameter, this is your A parameter, and this is your B parameter or B term. Okay, right. So now, okay, by looking on the determinant of your Z, okay, We know this is your Z matrix. So the determinant is Z11, Z1, Z22 minus Z21, Z12. So from your fourth equation just now, okay, this is your minus Z determinant. Okay, so this is minus Z determinant divided by, okay, the upper, the numerator, the numerator is minus, okay, determinant of Z, okay, divided by Z1, okay, and then you compare again, okay, so this is the one, okay, that you got, that you obtain, okay, you elaborate, okay, from the Z parameter expression in terms of, okay, your T parameter, okay, sorry, your T parameter in terms of your Z parameter equation. Okay, so here we compare your, okay, what we arranged just now, okay, with your ABCD or your T parameters equation, general equation. Okay, so this is your V1, so this is your A, V2, right? So this is your A terms, okay, and then this one is your B terms. Okay, so the next is I1, right? Okay, so this definitely is your C terms, and this is your D terms. Okay, so we can conclude here your A is equal to Z11 divided by Z21, your B is determinant of Z divided by Z21, and your C is 1 over Z21, and your D is Z22 divided by Z21. Okay, Y, okay, now is your, okay, your transmission parameter in terms of Y parameter. Okay, so we get back your, okay, Y parameter general equation. Okay, so this is your Y parameter general equation. Okay, I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, and I2 is equivalent to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Okay, so from second equation, okay, we arrange, okay, we arrange the equation, okay, by putting your V1, okay, as your main concern. Okay, so you will get your V1, okay, is equal to minus Y22 divided by Y21 V2, okay, and plus with Y21 I2, okay. Then, okay, you put, okay, your third equation just now into your first equation. Okay, so I1 in terms of, okay, you put your, okay, your V1, okay, into your first equation. So you will get I1 is Y11 minus Y22 divided by Y21 V2 plus I2 divided by Y21, okay, plus with Y12 V2. Okay, finally, your I1 is, okay, minus determinant of Y divided by Y21 plus V2, okay, plus Y11 divided by Y21 I2. Okay, so if you compare, okay, with your T parameters equation, so just now you can get, okay, your A, okay, is equivalent to, okay, minus determinant Y divided by, okay, Y21, okay, and your B is Y11, okay, so your B is minus Y11 divided by Y1, okay, and then, okay, you can get, okay, your A is equal to minus Y22 divided by Y1, and this is your B terms, okay, sorry, okay, this is your A terms, okay, this is your B terms as compared with your T parameter basic equation, okay, so this is your C terms, okay, is minus Y divided by Y21, okay, and then this is your D terms, okay, so you see here, this must be a minus, right? So that's why, okay, thus, okay, your A is equal to minus Y22 divided by Y21. Okay, your B is minus 1 over Y21. And your C is minus determinant Y divided by, okay, Y21. And your D is minus Y11 divided by Y21. Okay, you compare this third and the fourth equation with your basic T parameters, and this is the conclusion, okay, for your T parameter in terms of Y parameter.